Hey guys, I'm Mona, the head of nutrition at Liverpool Football Club, and this is
Nabilan.
So today we're going to cook something really nice together. We have a very special product here from Quorn. It's a fantastic sustainable protein sauce which is good for people and the planet. So to start our lovely chili, we need to dice some onions and we need to chop some garlic and some chilies. Ah, that looks good, Nabi. Nabi, you're here now for over 3 seasons. What is different?
Food and life in Liverpool is family for me.
And your English is so good in the meanwhile.
Now I think more better.
Yeah. So what is always the first step? We heat up the oil and then we give the onions in and the garlic in and the chili. After stirring it a little bit, we add the spices and we add the tomato puree just to have lovely flavor. Protein is one of the sources that are most important for recovery, but it's not only for the muscle structures, it's also for our cells, for our hormones, for our immune system. So there are a lot of positive factors in it, why it's so important to consume enough protein as an athlete and obviously as a normal human being as well. Nabi, I'll let you finishing off this wonderful dish. Wow.
Oh, this is nice.
Delicious.
Yeah.
We would like to make sure, as a football club, that people have more access towards fresh groceries and food. So together with Quorn, about 100 packages of fantastic Quorn recipes will be sent out to the community. I think that's just a wonderful message that we can actually inspire people and also support people in eating fresh and cooking from scratch at home.
Lot, can I take her home? Okay, I go.